So how do you feel she's getting on at the moment?
Yeah, I know like a few things. I mean, obviously, like we do bits of the homework that I think, but I haven't like took pictures of it. But we still got to get on top of that. But yeah, she definitely needs to do more, and I think she improves slowly at her own pace. I don't think she's going to do it at anyone's pace, no matter how much I might try and push her. But then sometimes I got to step back as she gets tearful and stuff. So
Oh,
I've learned to step back
absolutely.
and let her come and do it within her own time sometimes.
I always say a little and often,
And
like, and the
yeah,
more you make it into a game, the more fun it is. Does that make sense? The
yeah,
more, if it's a game, like you could play word bingo, all as a family together. You could get your
yeah,
boards out, Nanny can play, Papa can, everybody can play, and just go, oh, let's do our tricky word bingo. Let's all have one and we can all play that together.
yeah. Good. That's what I've wanted. Yeah, it's definitely seen a bit of a change in her and stuff. But
Yeah.
did notice like when I was having like I shouldn't be doing it that way because like I'm just daunting her with it. So I've
Yeah.
got to change the way that I do it with her as well.
Yeah, it's not to make it a chore. We're supposed to make it fun. Let's bake a cake together. All right, can you read could you help me read the recipe? Like you
Yeah,
read the first line, I'll read the second line. You did the third line. Do you know what I mean? It's not like doing the treasure hunt. Write the instructions.
yeah,
That's still reading.
yes, yeah, it is.
It doesn't have to be books. Does
Yeah,
that make sense? It doesn't have to just reading is just not books. It can be comics. It could be anything. It could be a hairdressing magazine. One of my students like reading car manuals.
yeah, yeah. They find their own way, don't they?
Exactly. So it's really just about getting her and little and often, like, can you get could you read like a little bit for me, or could you teach me this, or could you read me a couple of sentences for me? Do you know
Yeah,
what I mean? Like fluency strips are much better than reading, because I find is, like books are quite overwhelming because there's a lot of text,
yeah,
and they just go, oh no, I can't do that. As if you say, oh, could you read some fluency strips, like those sentences for me? She'd probably be more inclined to do that because it's not so overwhelming.
yeah.
Does that make sense?
It does. Plenty.
So I think I'm going to give you some games to play as well, I think.
Yeah, yeah. She loves games, so yeah,
I love games. It's supposed to be fun.
yeah,
Learning's supposed to be fun, so that's what it should be. And it's not like we don't, when we set the homework, it's only just to kind of go over things and just to really make it fun again, and just
yeah,
so I'll put some more games on all the units as well. So like the
yeah.
bamboos and the gym kit and the blue kit and things like that, so that she can play those as well.